Okay, mind reading part 2. I'm thinking of a number. I'm thinking of a number. I'm going to times 3, and then I'm going to add 12, and then I'm going to divide by 5. What number was I thinking of? Sorry. And it equals 6. What number was I thinking of? Okay, so press pause and have a go. So, the answer should be, I'm thinking of a number, I'm going to multiply by 3, and then I'm going to add 12. We don't need brackets because we've got to do this first anyway, so we don't need brackets. And then I'm going to divide by 5. That means I need to know everything. I need to know all this here, and then I can divide it by 5. But because I've got this long line here, I don't actually need brackets around here. So I can just write this. Because this long line here is saying work everything above it first and then divide by 5 anyway. So that's why I don't need brackets. Okay? So this would be it equals 6. So what number was I thinking of? So now you just need to solve for x now. Just solve x. So times both sides by 5. So this would be 30, and this would be the bubble on top, whatever's on top there. And now take away 12 from both sides. So this would be 8, 1. This would be 3x. Okay. Now divide both sides by 3. So this would be x here, and this would be 6 here. Okay. So the answer that I was thinking of was the number that I was thinking of was 6. So if you put 6 into here. 6 here. 6 times 3 is 18. Add 12 would be 30, and then divide by 5. It equals 6. Okay. Next one. Hang on. So I'm thinking of a number. I'm going to add 7, and then I'm going to multiply by 4. And then I'm going to add 10, and it gives me 70. What number was I thinking of? So press pause and have a go. So I'm thinking of a number. I'm going to add 7. Now I need to know everything inside this bubble first before I multiply by 4. So I'm going to, basically I need brackets around here. Because the bracket is saying work out whatever's inside this bubble and then times 4. Okay, and then after all that's done, I need to add. Basically, I need to know everything here first, and then I need to add 10. Okay, so let's start again. I'm thinking of a number. I'm going to add 7, and then I need to know everything inside here first, and then times 4. Okay, so you don't write it as like this, 4x plus 7, because what this is saying, you've got to do this first. But that's not what we want. We've got to add this 7 to the x first, and whatever the answer is, we need to times 4. That's why we need brackets here. Okay, and then the last step here, we need to add 10. Okay, well we don't need brackets around here because this forms a bubble anyway, so we don't need it. That forms a bubble anyway, so we don't actually need it. Okay, so and now this equals what? Equals 70. Okay, so now we just need to solve it. So let's break this first. Break this up first. So that becomes 4x, and then this times this would be 28 plus 28. And then you add 10 to the end, equals 70. Okay? Elephant, giraffe, giraffe. Merge the 2 giraffes together. So that becomes 4x, well, 4 elephants, plus, merge these 2 together, it becomes that. Okay, equals 70. And now, Now take away 38 from both sides. So this would be 2, this would be 3. This would be 4x here. Okay. So now divide both sides by 4. Well, what's 32 divided by 4? So this would be this would be 8. So the number that I was thinking of was 8. Okay, so put 8 into here. 8 into here. 8 plus that 7 would be 15. Times 4 would be 60. And then add 10 here would be 70. Okay. Alright, last one. I'm thinking of a number. I'm going to divide by 2, and then I'm going to add 16. I'm going to add 6, and it gives me 17. What number was I thinking of? So press pause and have a go. So I'm thinking of a number. I'm going to divide by 2, and then basically I need to know all this first, and then I'm going to add 6. But you don't actually need the brackets here because division is more important than addition. So you got to do this anyway. So let's start again. I'm thinking of a number. I'm going to divide by 2, and then I'm going to add 6. That's all you need to do here, because division is more important. You got to work out a bubble here first anyway. So you don't actually need the brackets. So this becomes 17. Now it's just a matter of solving x now. So imagine this is in a bubble here. Kill off the 6 first. So take away 6 from both sides. So that would be 11. This would be what the bubble left. Okay. And then times both sides by 2. So this would be 22. This would be x. So the number I was thinking of was 22. Okay. If you don't believe me, follow it through, and it should give you 17. Okay.